Hi, Steve here from BizWeb. In this video, I've been asked by a few people about passwords and password protection, and I'm going to show you what I use for my password protection and how you can set it up as well. So I'm using Google Chrome here on my MacBook, and I'm going to show you what we use, which is called LastPass. So you just put LastPass into Google here, and LastPass is a password management system that works really well. So you just go in here, it's free, you just get it there. You can upgrade for $3 a month if you want to, and you just create your account in here, and as usual you set a master password, which you don't want anyone else to know what it is. Make sure it's quite strong, and LastPass will make sure that I think it's going to be like 12 characters long and have uppercase and lowercase and special characters and numbers and stuff like that in it as well. Okay, so or I'll just log in. Okay, so I'm just using a free version, and as you can see here, what it does is it comes up and it gives you different options on what to use to sign in with. Okay, so you just log in here, and you can all your passwords and everything that are saved are all in here. Okay, so I've got so many in there, it's just unbelievable. I really rely on this a lot. So how does it work? So what you do is you get a little Chrome extension. Okay, so when you go through the sign up process with LastPass, and let me pause the video and we'll set it up on Firefox, and I'll show you. There's a similar system with Chrome. I'm just going to pause and we'll get started. How's that? Just installed a new version, completely new install of Firefox, which I hadn't done on this computer yet. Okay, so let's go to LastPass again. Okay, and we're going to set up a new LastPass account. Okay, and we'll walk you through that. Okay, so here we go. Just close that. So let's go okay. Get LastPass for free, and I'm going to set up a new new account here. Now let's use a securely generated password. Okay, so let's just put that in place for now, which I'll change soon. Okay, it's already there, and I'm just going to say it's a LastPass generated password. Okay, sign up for free. So welcome to LastPass. Now you want to install the browser extension. Okay, so install LastPass. So it's going to take you to the in this case the Firefox browser add-ons, but you're gonna, depending on if you're on Chrome, there'll be an add-on for that. I'm not too sure how it goes with Safari. There may be one, but Chrome and Safari have their own password management system as well, but LastPass is really good. Okay, I've just got myself a new MacBook, and I just, from all the 7 or 8 or 10 years of all my history in LastPass, I was able to log in on my new computer and had all my passwords and all my login URLs and everything like that, and it's just such a breeze. So we just click add to Firefox. Okay, we're going to add that there. It's going to come up in the top corner. Okay, got it. Get that, accept. Now my email. I've already created that login, haven't I? So and we remembered the email from before. Remember the password. Are you sure? Let's go no for now. Log in. Okay. There we go. So you had to click on that there again, okay? Upgrade to premium if you want to. If not, okay, so open your vault. This is brand new. So there's nothing in here. There's no items, no passwords or anything like that. So how does it work? Let's go and log into a Google account, okay? So I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to type in Google. And I'm going to sign in. So I'm just going to go steve@bpol.co.nz. Next, and it's going to ask me for my password. And go next. Now this is Firefox asking me if I want to save it. I can go save. Now usually, LastPass is making a goose out of me. Usually LastPass will come up with a prompt to say, would you like us to save it? Google is a little bit tricky, okay? So let's, what else have we got that I remember my password for? Let's go and log into a website. WP admin. So this is just a website that I've been doing some work on, and I'm just going to log into the back end of it. Now it's hosted in the States with HostGator, so it's not the fastest to load. So I'm just going to pop that there and pop my thing in, my password, okay, and log in. So Firefox has asked me. I'll go yes, save. So Firefox and Chrome ask you before you get access. Now if I put it in wrong, it's wrong. But see, LastPass waits until you're actually accepted and it'll ask you to add if you want to add it. And like I say, not now. Okay, and then add. So that's what I like about this, is you can get it wrong, save it in Chrome or in Firefox, and you get the wrong password and username combination saved if you typed it in wrong. LastPass waits until it's successful and then asks you to save it because it knows it's correct. Now, some of the cool stuff that I like with LastPass is, say now I want to go, we're going to go open my vault. And I can now go in there, and I don't want to. I just want to go and see what I have. Now, where is that surf drafting that I had in here? Okay, there we are. So this is the website. If I want to give someone else access, I can click on this and I can share it, and I can send that to another email address, and I'll send it to myself. Oops, that's the wrong one. And you can choose whether you want to allow the recipient to view the password or not, which is really good if you've got someone that you want to log in somewhere and give them access and then revoke that access without having to change your passwords and all that type of thing, because that's absolutely pain in the backside. So if I go share, I'm going to send a verification email, okay, because it's the first time I've been in here. I've got to do all of that. Okay, verify my email address. There we go. Okay, so all this does is just says that, you are who you say you are. Okay, LastPass is very good at the security side of everything. Well, there we go. So let's go and share that now. Okay, shared, successfully sent to me. And there we go, LastPass. So it says that the other Steve has shared an item with you. Okay, so I shared data. Okay. I'm going to log into my existing account. And it already knew because I'm logged into my Chrome. Everything like that. Okay. and it's going to then ask me to log in and all that sort of carry on. Okay, I've already got that surf drafting in there, so maybe that wasn't the best way to do it. But that's how this all works. If I now go to here, to my LastPass Vault, and the person that I've invited, they've accepted. I can see that they've accepted it. I should have got an email about that acceptance as well. I can add other people, okay, but I can also say, right, I'll now revoke that access. Once I've done what they've needed to do, I can revoke that access, knowing that they won't be able to have access to it, and I haven't shared with them any passwords or anything like that. Okay, so it's very, very good in that respect. But the biggest thing is that you don't have to remember all your passwords. Just remember the master password, have it a nice strong password, and write that down somewhere and hide it. And then you can have a password that is 200 characters long in LastPass, and it doesn't matter because LastPass is the one that does the remembering for you. Okay? Now you can access LastPass on any computer. Okay? If you want to go somewhere, like if you're on someone else's computer and you want to launch, say this surf drafting, you just click it and you go launch. Okay, it takes you straight to there. It fills out all your password details and puts you straight in. Okay, this is how powerful these types of things are. There are heaps more other functions and everything with it, but those are the basics. And I've probably complicated it a little bit, jumping backwards and forwards through two different browsers, but yeah, it's a fantastic system and solution for password management. Okay, I'll whack some more videos up when people come to me and say, hey, look, I want a video about such and such. I'll go and sort that out if I know anything about it at all. Okay, talk to you next time. Cheers. Bye.